Well, thought I'd come up here and play lumberjack. This tree here is caught up on this branch. So we're going to cut that away and get us some firewood. And just like that, down she came. Well, time for me to get my butt down here from here before it gets too dark. Okay, well, I got the cabinets up today. Kind of a pain in the butt, but they're trying to fall apart. But this is pretty much the configuration we need to go with. Should be plenty of room. Oh, got to get this stove in here so I can put these ones up for the stove. Your little sign came today, and I'm taking it. Those colors are the colors that you're going to want these cabinets. So that's why I put it there. So what else? Your plates came today. I had to go to town to get those. Your wall plates. So I went ahead and put the wall plates in. Another pain in the butt because the little screws that come with them, way too short. You can see how thick this plate is. So I had to go into the hardware store and get some different screws and paint them. But yep, they all work. Pan works. Found out this GFCI. Yeah, well, like when I shut off the breaker to shut off the lights, that GFCI was not on it. So yeah, I worked on that hot. It caught me first, but then after that, you just be careful. So anyway, this is what we've got done for the day. A lot of fixing these cabinets. They're busted up, and I've had to put all kinds of little things you probably won't even see, little pieces here and there because they're falling apart, but all in all, not bad. Got them all level. So put the sink up here. You know, this sink sits almost perfectly level with this. I think I'm just going to keep this here and not monkey with it. I'm going to put that switch. This is where your garbage disposal is going to go. I'm putting that switch here. We want to get a bay window. Well, we're just going to raise it and we'll fit it into here. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for now.